Okay, here's our last example, and I'm sure you know what type of example this is already, but let's go ahead and see what it looks like when we get no solution. So we've got variable side, and now what we've got to do is select the zero side. I'm selecting the side that has the least amount of symbols, and this is the variable side. So I'm going to subtract this side from both sides of the equation. So you can see I've subtracted the expression 7 times 2 plus 60v from both sides of the equation. We know that the right side is going to simplify to 0, and we do not need to simplify the left side. We can go ahead and put it in the graphing calculator. So I'll do that right now. So I've put the expression in, and remember there's no v feature, so we're using the variable x, and I've typed it in exactly as it was written down, verifying to make sure. Easy to make an input mistake here. Okay, so now we can go ahead and figure out where it intersects the horizontal axis. So I'm going to zoom out. I zoomed out all the way, and I cannot see it. So I'm going to go straight to the trace feature. And now I see this red dot down here, but it says when y is 2,193. So y is the vertical axis, so I've got to go all the way up to see where the line is. So I'm going to just keep going up. I'm going to go back to the scroll feature, sorry. Now I'm going to go up to where y is 2000. Now you can see it's going to take me a long time. So instead of just keep clicking the up button, which is going to take forever to get to 2000, I'm going to go to the window. And you can see here we can adjust some of these settings to make it easy. So we've got the max x value that can be seen, the horizontal, right? And then the max is here. The x scale is 1. The y min is 0, the y max is 10, the y scale is 1, and the step size is 4. I don't know why they're not lined up. So I'm going to change the y max. So if I want to change the y max, I need to change this number right here. If I'm going all the way up to 2000, I'm going to make the y max 3000. And then we'll leave the min, and then I want it to go up not by 1 unit at a time, I want it to go up by 50 units at a time. I'll go back to the graph. Now you can see, we can see the line. So here we have the line. We can zoom in a little bit more. So we've got our horizontal axes down here, and our line is up here. So you can see that this is a flat line that is parallel to the horizontal axis, so it's never going to intersect. And that is when you know the answer is no solution. So for V, our answer is no solution. If I verify this in the table, you will see that no matter what the x value is, the y value or the value that we want to be 0 is always going to be 2,193. So we know that the answer is never going to equal 0 because it's no solution. So a way of thinking about that is if here's our horizontal axis, and our line, when we graph it, runs parallel, we know that it's never going to cross, so it does not have a solution.